Hello passionate gardener. Today I'm going to cover quickly about benefits of rain. Mostly you know, but did you notice why our plants are thriving after rain? And they feels like they love the rainwater. Why? Because the rainwater have more nutrients than tap water. Tap water have some harmful or like chemicals like sulfur and sodium kind of things, but in rainwater we have lot of nitrogen and oxygen than tap water, and that help plants to thrive. And that's why you would be noticing like if few days of rain and your plants are thriving. Other than that, the rainwater is slightly acidic, around 5 to 5.5 pH rating for rainwater, which help plants to absorb nutrients from the soil, and that's the reason it thrives after rain. You will notice that in your all plants. So today I'm going to cover another benefit of rain is post rain, the things that you can do in your garden, that weeding. Because after rain the soils are loose and wet, and if you have weed in your garden you can easily pick them up by your hand. So that's what I'm going to show you, that if you see these are one of the big weed and it's easily coming up with root. So that will help a lot if you do after rain, maybe the next day, maybe the same day, if you have the rain, enough rain, and you know water it wet, because they're easily coming up. I don't need to push much. But if you do the same thing in the dry day, what you will see, it will like either root will be break or the only the leaves will come up, and that means the plant, like the weed is not completely gone. Because I mentioned to one of my previous video that hand weeding is the best choice if you would like your garden to be weed free, because it will come from the root. It will not allow the plants to come to flower and seeding. Weed killer and that those kind of chemicals is definitely harmful for our plants as well as our environment. And if you are growing your own fruits or vegetable or flower, it's better to not use those harmful chemicals in your garden, because you might have kid, you might have pests, so why to use chemical? If you can spend some times, maybe after rain is better if you just do hand picking. Spend some time depending on how big your garden. Like in my this font area, I need to only spend probably 20 minutes approximately just to remove the weeds. So I don't need to do forever. So if I keep doing this for quite few time, like during the season, after a week or so, or maybe a month or so, like depending on, like they will keep growing during the season. If you do one full season, let's say like few months, you are doing few times in a month, or depending on how weeds are coming up, you will see that lot of difference in the weed growing. They will have less and less weed time to time, and you at some time you will see your garden is mostly weed free. Some weed will come via air, like they will, like the seeds will come, the birds will bring some seeds, that's okay, but those are very few. But if you let your weeds to grow and flower and seeded, that will be lot of seeds coming into the ground. Like you see, this weed is hampering like right after my petunia plant, and this is a very big, so this is definitely hampering the petunia root. So I need to carefully take it up so that it's come fully as much as possible. So I try to take out the root so it's not going to be surviving. So that way you just take care of your plant and weed it after rain. So as I said, like rain have lot of benefit, like flower or all your plants love the rainwater. Along with, if you weed, then they will be happier. So yeah, after rain, do these steps and you will see a beautiful garden. Hope you like the video and the content. Hope the video information is useful for you. If it does, don't forget to give a like or thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Hope you like it. I grow a lot of fruit and vegetables, flowers, and I have a back garden where most of the plants are in the container, some are in the ground. So I'll keep sharing the videos around this side. So until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Happy gardening, gardener.